Hello, it's Jessie at the Pine Canvas, and I've got a new project today. We are cutting out some happy little trees. You can see here in this bear wall art with two cubs and a mama bear, those happy trees there. This one here is finished in an ebony stain, and I use these blades. I really like them, from Olson 44602. They're super fine. You can get around all these little points, which is amazing. And then during the sanding process, I will just sharpen any points that need sharpening. So if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, you can find your own bear wall art at my Etsy shop, thepinecanvas.etsy.com. Thank you and enjoy.